Hey guys, how's it going? Hopefully you've heard about Jamboard by now. If not, you're going to be amazed and happy. And like all my videos, I want to try to keep this short, but everything is so awesome. So how about here's the deal. I'll go through everything, but once you're excited, you'll be able to figure it all out on your own. So just stop the video and just start working. So you just go up to your Google Waffle, find it in here somewhere. And remember, you could always drag these around. So you could drag it up top a little more somewhere that'll be a little more handy for you. And if Jamboard is basically just a whiteboard. So just through this whole video, just be trying to think of all the possibilities you could use a whiteboard that you could share with other people. So collaborating with your students, with your team, you see this is mine. So it could be for collaborating with my team during meetings and things like that. So really think of all the things you could do with a whiteboard. Now, first off, Jamboard does go automatically inside. It's connected now with Google Meet. So go to my other video called Google Meets Update, and you could see there. So it's automatically there. It gives it straight to the students in a chat, and it doesn't take them anywhere else. It's just straight there. So this could be your whiteboard for class. Second, you're going to need to watch another video that's going to show how to use the little pad to be writing on everything, because you probably don't want to be writing with a mouse if you're doing it that way. So let's go ahead and just look and see at all the options. So you have a pen, you could write, you could have different colors, you could erase. So normal things there, right? Now, like I talked about, if you have a pad, of course, this is going to be awesome because whatever you're doing in math, you're going to be able to do it super quick. Everything will be in there. You'll be ready to go. And awesome, right? Now to make a new page, you simply go to the top, push plus wherever you want it, because think of it as like one big scroll. So they could be scrolling from day to day, subject to subject. Again, this could be used for anything, for their notes, for classroom. You could share it with absent students. So again, ideas are endless. Now, you could do sticky notes. So do sticky notes anywhere. Alrighty, so you could pick whatever colors you want, and you could just put sticky notes everywhere. You could be making them bigger or smaller. Then when you're making more notes, then you'll be able to drag them on top of each other if you want. You could organize it however you want. And this has endless possibilities again for school. What if you're saying, all right, let's organize things and find all the adjectives. Put all the adjectives in one column, put nouns in another column. You could have students dragging around, practicing. You can make copies of your board. So you could share with someone, they could make a copy to do things to practice. You could save your frame as an image. So you could have this perfect page, make it an image so you don't have to share a whole Jamboard with someone with a bunch of boards or give them access like that. You could create something and just share that image. Download as a PDF, same thing. Awesome ideas here. Now you could be adding an image. So obviously I don't have to show you this kind of thing. Google search, you could be adding whatever you want and everything just instantly gets added in here. So possibilities are endless. You could be doing different shapes. So we could be clicking on different shapes or different arrows, being able to show different things, changing the side, point to the eye, whatever you're working on, you have everything there. You could just be making text boxes and writing things that you need to have different notes everywhere you need. You could be using it to present and have pointers. You could be screen sharing, have the students show you what they want to see. You could bring attention to things. All right, we could clear the frame if we're done with it. Different backgrounds. So check it out. You could have different dots. So whether you're trying to draw, you're trying to show something, you could be doing lines like you're writing something and you could be showing. So again, that could come in great handy if you're using a board to be writing with something, or to be showing them, where to put the headings, how to use margins, different things like that. You could be using it for math, for your graphing. You could be using everything you need to, your different shapes, everything that'll be in math, trying to figure out area, whatever you're doing. Again, you could just, pick certain colors, whatever you need, something to show. But again, that's it in a nutshell. But how else could you use it? Like I said, I used it for meetings. So, you could make something super amazing and have your different categories and be able to drag things around, make things bigger, smaller, as in with importance. So you see a colored background, you see text on here, you see shapes that were drawn, sticky notes, images. So pretty much everything's all in the one for you. So, yes, they can be assigned to Google Classroom, just like how you assign a document, a slide, anything else in Google Classroom. You'll be able to put that Jamboard on there, put it in your class. You could even make a copy for everyone in your class if they want a separate Jamboard to work on. Like I said, it works in Meet, so you could be using this as your way to interact in the classroom. It could be a way for students to have notes, interactive notes. It could be a little presentation tool. Everyone could take their own slide and they could be working on something together. Their way to share. It could be their way to collaborate on a slide. So again, possibilities endless. So have fun with your Jamboard. See you guys later.